Good evening.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
I am going to make us a pot of zuppa Toscana tonight.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe eggs with truffles.
Truffles.
This was the suggestion of Giulio. He sent some home with us.
Ready, silence. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Dai, Eda, dai.
Dai, Eda, e maga, vinti maga.
La mattina presto Giulio, fischiettando se ne va, con la dottina Eda cammina. Nel cestino una paletta e sul collo un bel foulard, si dirigono nel bosco a lavorare. Giulio the Truffle lantern.
Watch out, there's flames!
A volte così sgonfia di magia che Giulia si sofferma e scrive una poesia. E sbuffava e stava sotto gli alberi facendo qualche becca e là, e i giorni passano indimenticabili con la passeggiata.
I'm doing my best to fillet these truffles. I would say that's some pretty thin stuff. I think you could almost read a newspaper through that. I'm getting my Michelin, baby.
Sure you are. So am I. You did an excellent job with the thinly sliced truffles since we don't have a truffle slicer thingy. Giulio gave us tons of butter. Thank you so much. That's going to work great.
I don't know what we're going to do for eggs in the morning because we'll probably burn up all of our eggs now. But we can figure that out then, where we can have coffee and...
I have a couple of croissants that I picked up, so
well,
maybe we'll do...
Yeah, croissants, and then they do have the meat shop open early in the morning. They do breakfast out of there, and they probably have access to eggs.
Though we kind of like to sit here and have coffee.
Until 9.
we get up at 6:30, we hang around till 9, make breakfast, drink coffee. It's like we're on vacation or something. I miss my big chopping knife. I mean, I can cut, but... Oh, yes, that's what I miss. Thank you. Much better. I'll start browning that. So I got the zuppa Toscana made. I actually made it with black cabbage. I think it's the same thing as kale. I'm finding it on other zuppa Toscana recipes. It should be good. Corey is making truffled sunny side eggs in Parmesan brown butter with white truffles. Giulio said that he thinks that truffles taste the best with just a nice egg fried in butter. We are trying that recipe, adding a little Parmesan cheese to it just to add our own little experimental flair. I think it's going to be tasty. Well, what do you think?
I haven't tried it yet.
Yes.
That's something very true. That everybody loves it. You know what he is. Un tartufo bianco profumato perla del creato scultura di Giulio the Truffle lantern. Barking on the day tree, I have something very good that everybody loves it. The day passing very faster. They're arriving the great moment. Look at there. È un tartufo bianco profumato, perla del creato.
tagliere.
Come on, Eda, Maga.
È un tartufo grosso esagerato, raro sul mercato, 1.000.000 forse più. Giulio the Truffle Ed the little girl ho incontrati nella valle di Terzano. Ed a Chianusa il mondo e Giulio con un tartufo in mano. O vederli ritornare per la via. Ed a che disco d'Insola e Giulio con una poesia.
What do we have here? So we have the truffled eggs, zuppa toscana. We have a little bit of Chianti, coli florentini, a little bit of bread still. That'll go good with the soup. Happy anniversary, sweetheart.
Anniversary.
Thank you.